Parabola. Can it be revised in 2 minutes? If you have studied it once, it can be possible. Otherwise, it is not that easy to do that in 2 minutes. So, first of all, what is parabola? So, parabola is the locus of a point in a which moves in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point and a fixed line is equal. Okay. So, fixed point is focus and the fixed line is directrix. So, there are actually four kinds of standard parabola. First one is y square is equal to 4ax. It will be horizontal parabola. Focus will be a comma 0. Directrix equation will be x is equal to minus a. Parametric equation is at square comma 2at. Y square is equal to minus 4x. What will be its focus, directrix, parametric equations? Let us rectum. Also tell about the x square is equal to 4ay, and for the x square is equal to minus 4ay. I have written these things. For the parabola whose vertex is not 0 comma 0. Suppose y minus k square is equal to 4a x minus h. So what will be its vertex? Its vertex is h comma k. Focus is h plus a comma k. Its directrix will be x plus a minus h. Axis is y equal to k. What will be its then parametric equation? At square plus h comma 280 plus k. So here h and k will be added from the original standard one. For the position of point lying inside or outside the parabola, put the points x1, y1 into, and if it is positive, it will lie outside, negative inside on the parabola, then equal to 0. So for the focal chord, if PQ is a focal chord, T1 into T2 is equal to minus 1. Equation of tangent is same, T equal to 0. For y square is equal to 4ax, y is equal to mx plus a by m, where m is the slope of the tangent. For parametric form, ty is equal to x plus at square, and point of intersection of tangent is a t1 t2 comma a t1 plus t2. If the normal is intersecting at another point to the parabola, y square is equal to 4ax, t2 is equal to minus t1 plus 2 by t1. Equation of pair of tangent is same as ss1 is equal to t square as in the circle, and director circle is x plus a equal to 0. In parabola, directrix is the director circle. Chord of contact is again t equal to 0 and the point lies outside the parabola. And chord with the given middle point